said you was a hot lass. That was the plan. Women said you was a hot lass.
You need to stand up.
That was the plan.
Meg, you need to stand up.
You're not ready for that. No, you ain't got a rebel in the window friend of mine. Bring it on home, boys.
Alright, so somebody had mentioned that the Manzanitas tree, the Jamaican cherry tree I got in the front yard here, the bats really like it, and I'll have to agree with that assessment. There's a party going on right now. It also gives a lot of shade, and I love bats. They're so cool. Enjoy! So here's something you see all too often in the Philippines. Got a big dog, little cage. Basically where he spends his life. He's got a bowl, no water. Looks like he's getting ready to bite me. Very handsome. German Shepherd and something else. And of course it's 110 degrees real field temperature. He's got way too much fur, so he's sweating like a bastard. You gotta shave him. Boy, you smell just like a dog. We have the ubiquitous Tuco, the FU lizard of the Philippines, and he's looking good. Hopefully Angel won't kill this one.
Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Lay well in some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Oh, you will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly. Those sweet clothes are only rocking around.
100. Okay, it's Sunday morning and I'm at Provincial Hospital here on North Road. I saw on Facebook page that this kid here, a baby who needs blood, they need O positive blood. Now usually in the Philippines, it's hard for foreigners sometimes to give blood because there's a year deferment. You gotta be here in the Philippines for at least a year. If you're traveling around, they don't like that. But sometimes they can override it, so I'm gonna see if they can override it. Because it's a baby. Baby needs blood. And I got O positive blood. I got lots of blood. So we'll see how this goes. Actually, he's only about 8 inches long. He's pooping on my screen. Handsome. Handsome. I love Tucos. Except when they get in my air conditioner and they start Tucoing. Yeah. Wait for the score.
14. Wow!